Project management is the art of bringing ideas to life, transforming visions into tangible realities. At its core, it involves a delicate dance between two fundamental elements: size and schedule. Size encompasses the scope of work, the resources required, and the complexity of the tasks involved. Schedule, on the other hand, dictates the timeline, the sequence of activities, and the deadlines that must be met. Mastering both size and schedule is essential for project success. A project that is too large or too complex may become unwieldy, leading to cost overruns, delays, and ultimately failure. Similarly, a project with a poorly planned schedule can result in missed deadlines, rushed work, and compromised quality. Therefore, project managers must possess a deep understanding of these two elements and how they interact. This essay delves into the intricacies of size and schedule management, exploring the key components of each and their importance in driving project success. We will examine real-life examples of projects that have thrived due to effective size and schedule management, as well as those that have faltered due to shortcomings in these areas. By understanding the principles outlined in this essay, project managers can enhance their ability to deliver projects on time, within budget, and to the required standards. In essence, this essay serves as a guide to navigating the complex landscape of project management, providing practical insights and actionable strategies for mastering size and schedule, and ultimately, achieving project excellence. By embracing these principles, project managers can transform challenges into opportunities, ensuring that their projects reach their full potential. Size management in project management refers to defining and controlling the amount of work required to complete the project. It involves understanding the project's scope, breaking it down into manageable pieces, and accurately estimating the resources needed to complete each piece. This meticulous approach ensures that the project remains within manageable boundaries, preventing scope creep and resource overallocation. Scope definition is the first step in size management. It involves clearly outlining the boundaries of the project, specifying what is included and, equally important, what is excluded. A well-defined scope acts as a roadmap, preventing unnecessary work and keeping the project focused on its intended objectives. This clarity is essential for setting realistic expectations and avoiding misunderstandings among stakeholders. Once the scope is defined, the next step is to identify and document the project requirements. Requirements specify the functionalities, features, and constraints that the project must adhere to. Thoroughly understanding the requirements ensures that the project meets the needs of its stakeholders and fulfills its intended purpose. This meticulous attention to detail prevents costly rework and ensures that the final product aligns with expectations. Finally, the project is broken down into smaller, more manageable chunks through the creation of a work breakdown structure, WBS. The WBS hierarchically organizes the project scope into work packages, providing a clear visual representation of the project's components. This breakdown facilitates task allocation, resource planning, and progress tracking, ensuring that no aspect of the project is overlooked. Schedule management in project management involves creating and managing the project timeline, ensuring that all tasks are completed in a timely and efficient manner. It involves identifying project activities, estimating their durations, sequencing them logically, and monitoring their progress throughout the project lifecycle. This systematic approach ensures that the project stays on track and meets its deadlines. The first step in schedule management is to define the project activities. These activities are the specific tasks that need to be performed to achieve the project objectives. Each activity should be clearly defined with a start date, end date, and responsible party. This level of detail provides a clear roadmap for execution and facilitates accountability. Once the activities are defined, the next step is to estimate their durations. This involves determining how long each activity will take to complete, considering factors such as resource availability, complexity, and dependencies. Accurate duration estimates are crucial for developing a realistic schedule and preventing delays. This step requires careful consideration of potential risks and uncertainties that could impact the project timeline. With activities defined and durations estimated, the project schedule can be developed. This involves sequencing the activities in a logical order, taking into account dependencies and constraints. The schedule should be presented in a clear and concise manner, allowing for easy monitoring and control. This visual representation of the project timeline serves as a communication tool, ensuring that all stakeholders are informed of key milestones and deadlines. Size and schedule management are not independent entities. They are intertwined, each influencing and shaping the other. Effective project management requires a holistic approach, where size and schedule are considered in tandem, their interplay carefully orchestrated to achieve project success. This integration ensures that the project scope is realistic, given the available time and resources, and that the schedule accommodates the complexities of the project scope. The project scope, defined during size management, directly influences the schedule. A larger scope with more complex activities will naturally require a longer schedule. Similarly, resource availability, a key consideration in size management, will impact the schedule. Limited resource availability may necessitate extending the project timeline to accommodate resource constraints. Conversely, the project schedule can also influence the scope. If the schedule is tight, the scope may need to be adjusted to ensure that the project can be completed within the allotted time. This may involve reducing the number of features or functionalities, prioritizing essential elements, or phasing the project delivery to accommodate the schedule constraints. Therefore, project managers must adopt a flexible and iterative approach, constantly evaluating the interplay between size and schedule throughout the project lifecycle. This dynamic balance ensures that the project remains feasible, achievable, and ultimately successful. Open communication and collaboration among stakeholders are essential for navigating these complexities and achieving optimal project outcomes. The Empire State Building, a towering symbol of human ambition and architectural ingenuity, stands as a testament to the power of effective size and schedule management. Completed in 1931 during the depths of the Great Depression, this iconic skyscraper was erected in a record-breaking 410 days, a feat that continues to inspire awe and admiration nearly a century later. The project's success can be attributed to a meticulous approach to size management. The scope was clearly defined, encompassing not only the building's design and construction, but also the intricate logistics of material delivery and labor coordination. The project was meticulously broken down into manageable work packages, with clear responsibilities assigned to each team. This systematic approach ensured that the project remained within manageable boundaries, preventing scope creep and facilitating efficient resource allocation. Equally impressive was the project's schedule management. A detailed schedule was developed, outlining the sequence of activities, their durations, and dependencies. The schedule was rigorously monitored and controlled, with regular progress updates and adjustments made as needed. This disciplined approach ensured that the project remained on track despite its immense scale and complexity. The Empire State Building's construction serves as a compelling example of how effective size and schedule management can drive project success. By meticulously planning and controlling both the scope and the timeline, the project team achieved a remarkable feat, delivering an iconic structure that continues to captivate the world. This case study underscores the importance of these fundamental principles in achieving project excellence. The Denver International Airport, DIA, while an impressive feat of engineering, serves as a cautionary tale of the pitfalls of mismanaged size and schedule. Plagued by delays, cost overruns, and technical glitches, the airport's construction became a textbook example of how a lack of control over size and schedule can derail even the most ambitious projects. The project's initial scope was ambitious, encompassing a vast terminal, an extensive baggage handling system, and a complex network of underground tunnels. However, the scope continued to expand throughout the project, with additions and changes introduced without adequate consideration of their impact on the schedule and budget. This scope creep, coupled with a lack of clear requirements definition, resulted in significant delays and escalating costs. The project's schedule was equally problematic. The initial timeline was overly optimistic, failing to account for the complexities of the project and the inherent uncertainties involved. Furthermore, the schedule was not effectively monitored or controlled, leading to missed deadlines and a domino effect of delays that rippled throughout the project. The Denver International Airport's construction serves as a stark reminder of the importance of rigorous size and schedule management. The project's struggles underscore the need for a clear scope definition, realistic schedule planning, and effective monitoring and control mechanisms. This case study highlights the potential consequences of neglecting these fundamental principles, emphasizing the importance of learning from past mistakes to avoid repeating them in future projects. While size and schedule management involve technical aspects, the human factor plays a pivotal role in their successful implementation. Strong leadership, effective communication, and a collaborative team environment are essential for navigating the complexities of project size and schedule, ensuring that these elements are managed effectively to achieve project success. Strong leadership is crucial for setting the tone for size and schedule management. Project managers must clearly communicate the importance of these elements, establishing clear expectations and holding team members accountable for adhering to defined scope and schedule parameters. This leadership sets the stage for a disciplined approach, ensuring that size and schedule are not treated as mere suggestions, but as critical drivers of project success. Effective communication is paramount for maintaining alignment between the project's size and schedule. Regular progress updates, open dialogue about challenges and potential delays, and transparent information sharing are essential for ensuring that all stakeholders are informed and on the same page. This open communication fosters collaboration and allows for timely adjustments to be made, preventing minor issues from escalating into major setbacks. A collaborative team environment is crucial for effectively managing project size and schedule. Team members must feel empowered to voice concerns, share ideas, and work together to find solutions when challenges arise. This collaborative spirit fosters a sense of ownership and shared responsibility, ensuring that everyone is invested in adhering to the defined scope and schedule, ultimately contributing to the project's success. In the realm of project management, a plethora of tools and techniques are available to aid in mastering size and schedule. Project management software, templates, and best practices provide invaluable support, streamlining processes, enhancing accuracy, and facilitating effective communication and collaboration among stakeholders. Project management software offers a centralized platform for managing project size and schedule. These software solutions provide tools for creating and managing work breakdown structures, WBS, developing schedules using Gantt charts, tracking progress, and generating reports. They also facilitate communication and collaboration, allowing team members to share information, update tasks, and track progress in real time. Templates offer standardized frameworks for various project management processes, including scope definition, requirements documentation, and schedule development. These templates provide a starting point, ensuring consistency and reducing the risk of overlooking critical elements. They also facilitate knowledge sharing and best practice adoption, promoting a standardized approach to size and schedule management across projects. Best practices encompass a wealth of knowledge and experience accumulated over years of project management practice. These practices provide guidelines for effectively defining scope, developing realistic schedules, managing risks, and handling changes. Adhering to best practices helps project managers avoid common pitfalls, enhance decision-making, and increase the likelihood of project success. Project management is an iterative process, with each project offering valuable lessons that can be applied to future endeavors. Embracing a culture of continuous improvement is essential for refining size and schedule management practices, ensuring that project teams learn from both successes and failures, constantly striving for better outcomes. After each project, conducting a thorough review is crucial for identifying areas for improvement. This review should analyze the accuracy of scope definition, the effectiveness of schedule development and control, and the impact of any changes or unforeseen circumstances. Lessons learned should be documented and shared, fostering a culture of knowledge transfer and continuous learning. Implementing a feedback loop is essential for capturing insights from all stakeholders involved in the project. Gathering feedback from team members, clients, and other stakeholders provides valuable perspectives on what worked well and what could be improved. This feedback loop ensures that size and schedule management practices are constantly refined, incorporating diverse viewpoints and promoting a collaborative approach to improvement. By embracing continuous improvement, project teams can transform challenges into opportunities for growth, ensuring that each project contributes to a collective body of knowledge and experience. This commitment to learning and evolving ensures that size and schedule management practices remain relevant, effective, and tailored to the unique demands of each project. Mastering size and schedule management is not merely a technical skill. It is an art form that requires a blend of analytical thinking, strategic planning, and effective communication. It demands a deep understanding of the project's scope, a meticulous approach to schedule development, and the ability to adapt to evolving circumstances. By embracing these principles, project managers can transform challenges into opportunities, ensuring that their projects reach their full potential. The principles outlined in this essay provide a framework for navigating the complex landscape of project management. By clearly defining scope, breaking down work into manageable chunks, developing realistic schedules, and effectively monitoring progress, project managers can lay the foundation for success. Embracing continuous improvement, learning from both successes and failures, ensures that size and schedule management practices remain relevant and effective. Ultimately, mastering size and schedule management empowers project teams to deliver projects on time, within budget, and to the required standards. It fosters a culture of accountability, transparency, and collaboration, ensuring that all stakeholders are aligned and working towards a common goal. By embracing these principles, project managers can transform visions into realities, leaving a lasting legacy of success.